Welcome to Hyphen Technologies. Smart businesses run on smart technology. At Hyphen Technologies, we deliver complete IT services that keep businesses connected, secure, and efficient. From cybersecurity, firewalls, CCTV, and biometric systems to IP telephony and video conferencing, we protect your business and enhance collaboration. Our expert teams design, install, and manage every solution with precision, reliability, and care. With responsive support, warranty assistance, and priority service, we ensure long-term peace of mind. Free technical support because your business deserves reliable care. We maintain one of the strongest inventories in the region. Whether you need 1 laptop or 1,000 laptops, we ensure one-day delivery, fast, reliable, and always on time.